how we can add a line in Apple numbers. So here I have one sample document where I see there is one line like this. This is a straight line. So we will see how we can add this type of line based on our own requirement and modify the line. So let's see how we can do this thing. So at first we need to come to the shape, this icon. We have to click shape and then it will bring all the shapes related to Apple numbers. Now I am planning to add a line, right? So I have to come basic and here I have to search the line. So here is the line. We have to select it, and if we click it, it will be like this. So it is going like that. So now I see the line is added. Now we have to change the position. So I'm going to drag this position here and I'm going to drag this position also here. So this will be like this size, and here we need to extend the line like this. In this way we can add a line. Now it's a red color. If we want to change the other color, what we need to do, we need to select it and then we need to come to the format section. I'm going to click format and it will be coming like this. So there are two tabs is there, line and arrange. We have to choose style, and from style we have to change the color. So right now it is red color. If we want other color, we can change from here. Like for example, we want to change the color to orange color, so it will be orange. Now it is very thin. If we want to make it thicker, then we need to increase this point size. So if we increase this point size, you will see that it is increasing. Like this way it can be a thicker line. Now if we want to add shadow, you can also do this thing. And right now this is the default style of a straight line. If we want to change the style, we can also do from here. We have to come here and it will give us different options like dotted line. If we want to do choose, basically we have to choose from here dotted line, and the line will be dotted. I'm going back to a straight line, so you can modify those things. And that's it. In this way we can easily add a line in Apple numbers.